during this live newscast.
All right, and I'd love to hear from you, so keep them coming. Now to some city politics, and popular musician Charles Njagua Kanyi, alias Jaguar, will now fly the Jubilee flag in Starehe constituency during the August elections. The Jubilee Party Appeals Tribunal overturned the victory of incumbent MP Maina Kamanda, citing what it calls massive misconduct in the final tally. Here's Murimi Mwangi with that report.
The carnival of song, dance and jubilation at the Jubilee Party headquarters in Pangani. Following this verdict awaited for 5 days by supporters of popular musician Charles Njagua Kanyi, alias Jaguar.
Charles Njagua Kanyi as the winner and candidate of Jubilee Party, Member of Parliament Starehe constituency, Nairobi County.
Lakini nataka kuambia watu wa Starehe na nataka kuwashukuru sana kwa sababu they have stood by me, they have spent sleepless nights na God amekuwa side yetu kwa sababu niliwaambia if you win fair and square, Mheshimiwa Kamanda hatachukua certificate. Yaani amepatana na mtu mbaya.
The Jubilee Party National Elections Tribunal ruled there had been massive alterations of the Starehe final tally in favor of current MP Maina Kamanda, an illegality which the tribunal found had stolen Jaguar's victory even after winning in 25 out of 35 polling stations.
Watu walikuwa wananiambia we might not come vote for you because we know utanyang'anywa certificate. And every day nikiamka mapema I had to go convince people Jubilee iko fair na sitanyang'anywa certificate na Maina Kamanda.
The Jubilee Tribunal is rushing against time to clear the over 500 appeals by Friday to unlock the issuance of nomination certificates to all party aspirants before their public unveiling by party leader President Uhuru Kenyatta on Saturday. Key appeals still pending include that of Nakuru Governor Kinuthia Mbugua, challenging the victory of former NTSA Chairman Lee Kinyanjui. Kamukunji MP Yusuf Hassan is also challenging the victory of Simon Mbugua in the constituency Jubilee primaries.
No certificate has been issued to any party by the Jubilee National Elections Board.
At the office of the Registrar of Political Parties, hundreds of aspirants seeking to vie as independent candidates in the August elections continued resigning from the main political parties. There's barely 24 hours to the Thursday deadline, when all independent candidates are expected to present all their papers to the country's electoral body, IEBC.
It was not my intention to be independent candidate, but the party was not in a position to carry effective election on the grassroots. The election was marred with the leaguing, cooking of figures.
With 2 days to the tribunal's self-imposed Friday deadline, such noises will no doubt remain a familiar sound at the Jubilee Party headquarters.